In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a simple select query in Microsoft Access. By the end, you'll be able to pull exactly the fields you want from your tables and view the results instantly, all without writing any SQL. First, open Microsoft Access and load the database you want to work with. This is the file that already contains the tables you plan to query. Once your database is open, look to the top of the screen and go to the Create tab on the ribbon. From there, choose Query Design. This is the easiest way to build a select query visually. When Query Design opens, the Show Table dialog box will appear automatically. This window lists all the tables and queries available in your database. Think of it as your starting point for deciding where your data will come from. In the Show Table dialog, double-click the table or tables that contain the data you need. If your data is spread across multiple related tables, you can add each one here. As you select them, they'll be queued up for the query. When you've added what you need, click Close to dismiss the dialog box. You'll now see the selected tables in the upper pane of the Query Designer. Each table shows its fields, and if there are defined relationships, you may notice lines connecting related fields. This visual layout helps you understand how your data ties together. Next, in that upper pane, double-click the field names you want to include. Each field you choose will appear in the design grid in the lower pane, one field per column. This grid is where Access keeps track of what will be shown in your results. If you add a field by mistake, don't worry, you can always remove it later, and adding more fields is as simple as double-clicking them again. When you're ready to see the output, go to the Query Design tab and in the Results group, click Run. Your query results will open in Datasheet view, showing a spreadsheet-like list of the rows and columns you selected. Because this is a select query, you're only viewing data. It doesn't change anything in your tables. If you want to make adjustments, switch back to Design View to refine your field selection. When you're satisfied, click Save, give your query a clear descriptive name so you'll recognize it later, and click OK. That's it. Your simple select query is ready for reuse anytime.